Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur. My name is Isha Bajwa and I am from Coventry Jamaat. My question is, how should Nasirat prepare herself to make sure she is ready to become Lajna?
So, are you not ready to become Lajna? So, whether you are ready or not, when you reach the age of 15, you will be the member of Lajna, Allah. So you should only make it a point that when you enter Lajna Allah, you should behave and try to be active in the same way as you are active and well behaved as Nasirat. Right?
Yes.
So there is no difference between Nasirat and Lajna. Nasirat are the girls of younger age, and when you are the age of 15 years and 1 day, then you are Lajna. So you should behave in the same way.
Jazakallah.